We're making keto chocolate self-saucing pudding in 90 seconds. Let's go. Happy New Year, everyone! Well, this is the first of our mug series, which will be released every Monday, and this one is super impressive. It's got a soft chocolate cake underneath, and on top is the sauce, and it is so rich and delicious. You're gonna love it, and you get portion control, and it's done in 90 seconds, and it takes a couple minutes to mix everything in the mug. Now, next week, we have got a delicious lemon and blueberry cake coming out, and it looks like this, but you'll get to see everything in the video. Nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box, and let's get into this recipe now. To your mug, add 3 tablespoons of tap water at room temperature, 1 egg at room temperature, then 4 tablespoons of almond flour, and the same amount if you use Lupin Flour. Next, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm using a dark cocoa powder, but you can use any. And then 3 tablespoons of sweetener, I use powdered, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix that together really well until fully combined, and then microwave for 90 seconds. And this is how it turns out, like a warm chocolate cake on top. But when you turn it over onto your plate, you get all the sauce. I just added a tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate chips on top, and that melted into the sauce, giving me even more gooiness. I also tried making it with 4 tablespoons of Lupin flour instead of almond flour, and this is how it turns out. It's just as amazing. The thing I love most about this recipe is that you don't have to make any frosting as you would with a normal chocolate cake. And you get a delicious mouthful of gooey chocolate with every spoon. I hope you get to try it, and do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.